any YouTube video will play in background on your phone without any application. You can do it very easily. But how to do it and what settings to adjust? Let's see in the video. First of all, go to menus and find YouTube apps. Press and hold on YouTube apps icon and click on apps info option. Okay, now scroll down here. Click on open by defaults option. Now click on open support links option. Now click here, do not open on this app. Done. Now open your Chrome browser on your phone and search for YouTube. Open YouTube on your Chrome browser. Okay, now click on three-dot menu. Scroll down here. Now enable desktop side option. You can see here desktop mode enable on my phone. Now play your favorite video on YouTube. Okay, now minimize your browser. You can see here YouTube plays in background. If it stuck, then you can play it once again from here. This is how you can play any YouTube video in background without any apps on your phone. Even if you lock your phone screen, it will work perfectly in background. So you can apply it on your phone and enjoy YouTube videos in background. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. Thank you.